Hey man, how are ya?
I'm good.
Hey, I haven't seen you in a while, so here's my bottle to you, man.
Alright, just this one before I go, okay?
Whoa, where are you going?
I have work in the morning.
Ah, jeez. Well, hey, you know the rules. When you're done with this bottle, I want it back.
Alright, I got it.
Good. Because I always get my bottle back.
Oh my god, you know? What are you doing here?
Yeah. No, work was good. It was an easy day. Yeah. No, the party was real fun. Yeah, Eric was there, Kyle. Yeah. Yeah, even Peter. Uh-huh. Okay. You know, I'm just dropping by my place real quick. We still on for 5 o'clock, right? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, no. Just grabbing something and I'll be right there, okay? Okay. Hey, let me give you a call back. Hello? 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 Who is this?
Have you finished my bottle yet?
What do you mean?
No, not yet. รอไป下 Ah!
Oh my god, you know? What are you doing here?
Have you finished my bottle yet? No, not yet. 没想
Oh my god, Elo! Hey man, what are you doing here? He's a great guy. It was just a bottle.
Yay. Here's your bottle back.
Whoa, dude, you don't look so well.
Is it over now? Do I get my life back?
What are you talking about?
Just tell me it's gonna be okay.
Whoa, relax, chill. Just have a seat. Let me give you something to drink. It'll help with the nerves, okay? Here, Yilong. Like I said, I always get my bottle back. Go.
That's good to see you, man.
I don't know why I went too fast.